In this video, we dive in depth into the ultimate guide on how to scale up fast. Get ready to unlock the secrets to fast growth. Okay, buckle up because we're breaking down 6 essential keys to getting you on the fast track to bulking up like never before. Key number 1, progressive overload. This is your bread and butter. Gradually increase the amount of weight you lift to challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. It's like giving your muscles a fun puzzle to solve. Key number 2, compound movements. We're talking big guns, squats, deadlifts, bench presses, etc. These exercises use multiple muscle groups and stimulate the release of growth hormones. Revealed. Key number 3, nutritional powerhouse. Incorporate a balanced diet with plenty of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats into your gains. Think of food as your building block, building the bricks of those muscles. Key number 4, rest and recovery. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you lift. Prioritize good sleep and give your muscles time to repair and grow. This is where the refresh button is located. To your advantage. It's like you're pressing. Key number 5, consistency is king. Remember, hair wasn't built in a day, and neither are muscles. Stick to your workout routine and nutritional plan, and those benefits will begin. Key number 6, stay hydrated. Water is like the unsung hero of muscle growth. It helps nutrients move around, keeps your energy up, and supports overall performance. Now, here's the deal, fast bulking requires dedication and a smart approach. Don't rush, your muscles need time to adjust and grow. And hey, listen to your body. If you're getting tired, that's it. Okay, dial that back. If you're as excited about this bulking journey as I am, click that thumb for satisfaction and hit subscription for more fitness insights. Share this video with your fitness friends who are ready to take their gains to the next level. Let's create those goals together.